Hey you guys, so today I'm back and I am making a homemade New York style chopped cheese sandwich. Let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna go ahead and put a little oil in our pan, and the meat of choice I'm using is some ground turkey. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in the pan, and we're going to go ahead and get that browned up really nicely. I made a mistake. You're supposed to basically make these into like patties, but I didn't realize that until I put the meat in the pan. Now let's go ahead and move on to seasonings. We're going to get this ground turkey seasoned up really nicely because we don't want bland food. We're going to use some black pepper. We are going to use some garlic powder and some paprika, some sea salt, and some parsley flakes, some ground red pepper, or you can use the red pepper flakes, some onion powder, some Slap Your Mama, and some hamburger grill mate seasoning. Then we're going to incorporate that really nicely into our ground turkey so we can go ahead and get this really nicely browned and ready for the next step. In the meantime, while we're getting this meat together, leave me a comment below if you've ever had this sandwich or I made it. Let me know what you think about it. Now I'm adding a half of yellow onion, sliced and diced up. And this is optional, but I wanted to make this sandwich as authentic as I can make it, just like how they would make it. So yeah, but it's optional. So we're gonna go ahead and incorporate that with the ground turkey, and we're gonna finish cooking this off so we can prepare our sandwich. Then what I normally like to do is add 1 cup of water to this ground turkey so I can finish cooking this off. And I like to cook my food low and low so I can ensure that it's cooked all the way and properly. Now we're going to get our rolls toasted up just a little bit. And just like that, our ground turkey is ready. As you see, those onions are nice and sauteed, al dente, not too crunchy, just the way I like it. This is about to be some good eating right here. I really hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button for me. I will greatly appreciate it. So the last thing you're gonna do as far as the meat goes is add your cheese. They normally put like American cheese, like Kraft cheese, but I like to use mild cheddar. Or you can use sharp cheddar, you can use pepper jack, whatever you want to do. But I wanted to use mild cheddar for mine, so I'm just sectioning it off because I'm making some for my fam bam. So I'm putting a slice of cheese, and while it's nice and hot, you just let that cheese melt. And that is it for the meat. And you're almost ready to eat. So our sandwich is ready, set up. I got the meat into the hoagie roll. And we're going to put a little bit of mayo. We're going to put a little bit of mustard, and we're going to put a little bit of ketchup. And this is exactly how they make it. Then boom, baby, your sandwich is basically complete. You're going to add your fresh sliced Romano tomatoes, some shredded lettuce. I'm using romaine lettuce that I went ahead and sliced up. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how you make a chopped cheese sandwich, New York style, baby. Okay, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I paired this with some fries, a pickle. That's some good eating right there. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Later, guys.